Climate change and the road to net zero. Bridging the climate divide to achieve net zero. Despite the abundant benefits of reaching net zero, progress so far has been slow. Since the International Panel on Climate Change formed in 1990, we have emitted as much CO2 into the atmosphere as all human history before. The hurdles to action range from apathy, misaligned economic interests, inequality, and free-riding to deliberate sabotage. Each and all has slowed progress. But the longer we wait, the bigger and more immediate the threat becomes. The more people die from air pollution, and our window of opportunity for the best outcome will inevitably narrow. The time has come for governments around the globe, corporates and individuals to stop stalling and to push towards a better system. Awareness and willingness to act are certainly on the rise. The unified scientific voice grows louder. 26 countries have declared a climate crisis, and protests across the globe are mobilizing young and old alike. Over 100 countries around the world, covering over half of all emissions, have made net zero pledges for the middle of this century. However, today's average world leader will be nearly 100 years old when those targets come due. Translating long-term pledges into action is crucial. We must create change, not just talk about it. Individuals can electrify end uses and source zero-carbon electricity, forcing demand away from fossil fuels. Vote with your ballot paper and your wallet. Choose credible policy and low-carbon products. Politicians will soon respond to the changing polls, and companies will soon react to falling revenues. Cut back on meat. The average diet requires 1 football pitch of agricultural land, whereas the vegan equivalent requires just the penalty box. Reduce consumption where you can, but this should remain a personal choice. We must avoid the idea that solving climate change requires hardship. Net zero is not a zero-sum game, but a win-win, and we have everything needed to transition without compromise. Corporates should strive for net zero as the best sustainable economic outcome. Greenwashing should not be used as a marketing tool. Politics should be used to transition the energy system. Climate change should not be used as an excuse to change politics. Once we understand that a net zero system will create a more favorable outcome for both right and left politics, big and small business, the individual, and society, then we can accelerate change for the better. Net zero will be cheaper, cleaner, safer, more reliable, more sustainable, and will create more employment than if we remain bound to fossil fuels. By understanding and acting on this statement, we can redefine the argument and create a better future for all on planet Earth. To find out more, visit www.net-zero.blog.